All right. Good afternoon, everybody. Yeah, I'm not a little boy that grew up to be a man like this. So just to take a little bit of time off from each and every one of you. All right. Once again, okay. Looking at the wrong time again, 1 hour behind. Good morning, everybody. Okay, my name is Mark. All right. So I'm the coordinator for the event together with the team. While we are settling the technical difficulty, we always have what we call a backup plan. So the idea is this. I'm here to share some information. For some of you who are performing right now, the morning half, the G1 group, I'd just like to remind you, all right, for those of you who are taking the packages and whatever, lunch, okay, lunch will be after the opening ceremony at 12 noon, okay? So what you do is for the G1 group, you can go out to the registration counter, all right? Then they will bring you, okay, to a place to have lunch. Are we good with that? Those of you who are here early for the G2 performance, all right, for the afternoon performance, your lunch would be at 11 o'clock, okay, which is like, say, about 12 minutes from now. But what we like to do is to encourage you, okay, to stay for the opening ceremony. Then after that, we can have a little bit of lunch with that. Are we okay with that? Okay? Now, the other thing is we are very, very happy with the response that we have received for the workshops, okay? So each and every workshop, there's one workshop so far that we had to close up early, okay? Okay, so because it's full house, okay? Mr. Puja Chawaka, yeah, your workshop is fully booked, okay? So you have a lot of people at your workshop. Can we give him a big round of applause, everybody? All right, okay? And also the other workshops are going on. Now we've only like 5 places left. So those of you who are in the morning session, your workshops are in the afternoon. We've got another like 4 or 5 slots left. So what you could do is you could go over, sign up for the workshop, and fill that up too. Okay? For myself, I'll be conducting a team building session so that you can ease off, chill off a little bit, so you can have some fun, some games before anything else. Now, for your information, the workshop will be held across at the Sherwood residence. Okay, it's on level 2. There'll be signages that shows you all where exactly the workshop is being held. 2, there will be people from here, the team from APAF, they will bring you guys across. All right, so if you are very keen, very interested, come and make this a wonderful event. As it is, we'd like to thank each and every one of you as of now, okay, for your warm attendance, all right, your response. So far, we'd like to thank each and every, we are ahead of time. We are ahead of time. Thank to each and every one of you for being punctual, okay? So what we like to do is also, but what we're going to do is, we're also going to make it that the the opening ceremony itself will still be on at 11:20. Okay, so after this, the last performance, we will have a short break. We will gather everything. We get all the scoring done and all that. We will come back and we will do the opening ceremony followed by the prize giving. Okay, so we encourage each and every one of you. We see that the room is actually quite filled up now and we are very happy. We encourage each and every one of you afterwards to stay back, all right, and join us in the opening ceremony because I know you want to see who wins the prizes, the gold, the silver, or the bronze. All right? Thank you very much. If you have any inquiries at all, you're not sure, okay, and uncertainties, check at the registration counter in front. And before anything else, on behalf of all the APF team members, we would really like to apologize for any hiccups that you've had in the morning, as we always expected, all right? But we are trying to do our best with what is at hand. So kindly accept our sincere apologies from the bottom of our heart, all right, that we are trying to do the best we can. And of course, with all the help and the support from all the lovely judges here, we know that this event is going to be impactful. Thank you.
So for our last performance, I'm calling J1 M50, Aska Rindra Gunawan performing Little Drummer Boy from AAG Music School, Indonesia.
Pam pam pam, a newborn king to see. Para pam pam pam. pam pam pam, rum pam pam pam. So to honor him, pa rum pam pam pam. When we come, little baby, pa rum pam pam pam. I am a poor boy too, pa pam pam pam. I have no gift to bring, pa pam pam pam. That's sweet to give for king, pa pam pam pam. Rum pam pam pam, rum pam pam pam. Shall I play for you, pa pam pam pam, on my drum?
Thank you very much. So now we will have a 15-minute break. And after that, please group 1 from M1 until M50, come back to the hall for the opening ceremony. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the opening ceremony of Asia Pacific Arts Festival, Vietnam 2019. Asia Pacific Arts Festival aims to promote harmony, peace, and global friendship through diversified cultural exchange, workshops, and performing arts competition. It has been successfully held for the past 6 years in various countries. The mission of this festival is to encourage youth participants to nurture and cultivate unity and peace through the understanding of the diversity of cultures, races, languages, traditions, and customs. Our vision is to ultimately attain peace and unity through mutual understanding of each other through the expression of our love for the arts. This year, here in Vietnam, we have participants from 12 different countries. A warm welcome to participants from Cambodia, China, Korea, Indonesia, Malaysia, the United States, the Philippines, Vietnam, Singapore, Thailand, France, and Sweden. Asia Pacific Arts Festival Vietnam is proudly organized by Transnet Travel and supported by Youth Ambassadors Singapore. This festival cannot be made possible without our co-organizers and sponsors. Our co-organizers are Soul Life Project, Asia Music and Performing Arts Education, and Amberstone Media. A big round of applause to all our co-organizers once again. We would like to extend our greatest gratitude towards our valued sponsors, Viva, Hoa Quang Music, TED Saigon, Australian International School, and Viet Nhac. Now let's put our hands together to invite Ms. Pham Kim Yuan from Hoa Quang Music School to say a few words.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome you all to Asia Pacific Arts Festival Vietnam, January 2019. We are very glad to be one of the sponsors for Asia Pacific Arts Festival Vietnam because the mission of this festival is well aligned with our vision as a music education provider, which is to provide a friendly platform for young musicians to showcase their talents and become well-rounded musicians in the future. We feel strongly that young musicians need a friendly performance opportunities to build up their self-confidence and self-esteem in order to become a successful individuals in the future. Once again, thank you very much for your support. Thank you to all parents, teachers, sponsors, students, and all of the supporters who have helped make these events happen. We wish you good health, happiness, and success. And we wish all the students a wonderful and successful festival. Thank you so much.
The Asia Pacific Arts Festival logo depicts a dancer striking a pose within the musical note. The blue color represents peace and unity for global friendship. Red color is associated with energy and passion, while the yellow color stands for dignity and intelligence. Now, can I take the opportunity to introduce our judges to everyone? Mr. Ian Goh from Malaysia. Ms. Ngan Ha from Vietnam. Ms. Huang Hua Lan. Ms. Dion Ong from Brunei. Ms. Teresa from Vietnam. Mr. Pruva from Indonesia. Mr. Slonos from Cambodia. Ms. Adeline Lim from Singapore. Ms. Emily Lee from Hong Kong. Next, we have a special drum performance by Nguyen Jam Ngan from Seoul Music and Performing Arts Academy with the song entitled Circle of Life.
Việt Nam. Từ Bắc vô Nam nối liền Nam Tây, ta đi từ lòng hoang vu vượt hết núi đồi, vượt thác treo leo tay ta vượt đèo, từ quê nghèo đến phố lớn Nam Tây nối liền, biển trời sông cát nối tròn một vòng Việt Nam. Cờ nối gió đêm vui nỗi ngày, dòng máu nối con tim đồng loài, rừng cây cười trong ngày mới, thành phố nối gió xa vời vời, người chết nối linh thiêng vào đất và nụ cười nối trên môi. Cờ nối gió đêm vui nỗi ngày, dòng máu nối con tim đồng loài, rừng cây cười trong ngày mới, thành phố nối gió xa vời vời, người chết nối linh thiêng